Differences between content writing and copywriting. Content writing versus copywriting. Content writing is researching, developing and publishing content for different purposes, from marketing to education. Whereas copywriting involves writing sales or advertising copy, which is meant to promote a product, service or brand. Goal of content writing is to inform, whereas goal of is to copywriting persuade. Drives of content writing is based on engagements, whereas drives of copywriting is based on conversions. Effect of content writing is to develops trust and value, whereas effect of copywriting is to evokes emotions and a sense of urgency. Writing style of content writing is a content in a long-form writing, whereas writing style of copywriting is a copy in a short-form writing. Tone of content writing is formal tone, whereas tone of copywriting is conversational or informal tone. Aim of content writing is entertaining and informing, whereas aim of copywriting is promotional advertising. Nature of content writing is conversational, whereas nature of copywriting is persuasive. Content writing is multi-directional, whereas copywriting is one-directional. Content writing found in articles, blogs, email newsletters, white papers, reports, case studies, and e-books, whereas copywriting found in copy for ads, slogans, taglines, landing page content, brochures, sales pages, etc. Content writing helps in driving organic traffic, whereas copywriting helps in converting organic traffic into sales leads. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.